This Friday morning, we're at Kill Abbey, the ruins at Kill Abbey, substantial ruins at Kill Abbey. Going back to one of the oldest remnants of a church in South Dublin, going back to the 10th or 11th century. And unfortunately, the gate's locked, and there's a boundary wall around it, so there's no access to this church. You can see it from here. The graveyard itself, let me explain. The church itself, what I know about the church goes back, was last used up till 1630, and they didn't have funds to repair the roof, so it became abandoned from then on. And but the graveyard, you can see those collection of gravestones go back to the last burials were around the 19th century, and there's some fine gravestones in there. And it's a bit like the situation down in Carrickbrennan. These places are only opened on a special event days, anniversary maybe, or National Heritage Week in August. So when you have a dedicated guide that would take you around and explain the history. I'll put in some information into my description. My knowledge of this church is very limited, but it's quite a substantial ruin. It's quite big as well, very big. See the boundary wall here. Just take you around here. There's the house there that it has that, so those windows over there have the reminiscent of that Roman arched window. So I'll just take you around here. And as I said, it's unfortunate that we can't get access to it. You can see how big it is when you walk around. It's got a big wall. Let's walk down to the entrance again. So again, it's unfortunate. I apologise. I can't get into it and show you around it, but hopefully maybe someday I can do another video here and I can get access to it. We need to have access to our local heritage. Okay, fortunately you do have antisocial behaviour, and maybe that's why they lock up these places. Probably, more than likely, that's why they lock up these places. So it's unfortunate we have that. But please subscribe to my channel, Station to Station, and I'll catch up with you all again soon. Take care, stay safe.